Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for Netlify, full guide step by step clearly. Visit the Netlify website at netlify.com. Look for the sign up button, usually found at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on the sign up button to proceed to the registration page. You will see multiple options for signing up, including email, GitHub, GitLab, and Bitbucket. Choose the option that best fits your needs. If you prefer to register using email, click on the Sign Up with Email button. Fill in your email address and create a strong password. Make sure to read and accept the terms of service and privacy policy. After entering your information, click on the Create Account button. Check your inbox for a verification email from Netlify. Click on the verification link in the email to confirm your account. Return to the Netlify site and log in using your new credentials. Once logged in, you'll be directed to your Netlify dashboard. From here, you can start deploying your projects. If you want to connect to Git provider, select the New Site from Git option. Follow the prompts to authorize and link your GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket account. Choose the repository you wish to deploy. Configure the deployment settings as needed. Click the Deploy Site button to launch your site on Netlify. You have now successfully registered and deployed your first site on Netlify. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.